This is the AI News Flash for May 19th, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, Japan's stock market shows serious AI fatigue. Investors rotate from overvalued AI names to gaming and core sectors per Bloomberg. Nintendo shares plunged 10% Monday to lows last seen August 2024. Memory chip price surge squeezes margins. Switch 2 forecast 16.5 million units, software 60 million units. Revenue down 11.4% to 2.05 trillion yen. Net income down 27% to 310 billion yen. Pricing strategy revised dramatically. Switch 2 in Japan rises from 499.80 yen to 599.80 yen starting May 25.
In the US, from $449.99 to $499.99 on September 1st, AI data center demand explosion drives DRAM prices up over 70%. Hyperscaler $725 billion capex boom causes structural memory shortage hitting consumer electronics broadly.
Nikkei 225 fell 144 points, May 15 to 6140.09. AI semiconductor names, Advantest, Kioxia, Fujikura all plunged 7 to 8%. Investors rotate from overpriced AI plays to gaming core business, but memory cost spike hits Nintendo and Sony simultaneously. AI infrastructure boom now spilling into broader consumer electronics weakness. Most important 2026 trend, critical institutional allocation signal. The second story, Fujikura shares hit lower circuit breaker, down 26%. Three-year medium-term forecast crushes AI boom expectations in dramatic fashion, per Bloomberg. FY 2027 net income forecast at 156 billion yen, down 0.7% YoY, far below market consensus. AI data center fiber optic cable demand remains strong, but raw material procurement difficulties intensify. Copper prices surge, rare metal sourcing challenges squeeze earnings, primary cause of bullish expectations collapsing decisively. Sakura plant 40 billion yen investment continues. AI fiber optic cable production expansion targets 2030 completion. MIT partnership on 3D nanostructure process development core strategy remains intact, but near-term earnings outlook bleak reality. Investors reassess AI infrastructure boom phase 2 beneficiary stock selection in earnest. Symbolic event for AI chip peripheral optical interconnect technology sector. Lumentum, Coherent, Corning, Marvell, Credo Technology optical connection-related stocks face broader price correction phase entry signals. Michael Burry AI bubble warning. Bridgewater dangerous phase alert. Norway sovereign wealth fund 35% loss risk simulation. Institutional AI caution intensifies. Fujikura event symbolizes 2026 AI investment theme biggest debate important market signal. The third story, U.S. conservative coalition Humans First, led by Steve Bannon and 60-plus MAGA allies, sends open letter to President Trump demanding mandatory AI testing. Decisive political event per Denver Gazette. Group slogan, Technology should serve humans. Letter demands government approval and mandatory pre-release safety testing legal framework immediately for most powerful AI models. Signatories include Steve Bannon, Amy Creamer, Brendan Steinhauser, and 60-plus MAGA movement leading thinkers, an unprecedented scale of bipartisan political pressure. Stance directly opposes White House light touch regulation strategy to win AI race. Reveals deep MAGA conservative base internal division. AI safety camp, Anthropic, Palantir cautionary positions now adopted by MAGA conservatives. Unprecedented configuration. Trump administration AI action plan deregulation strategy faces major reconsideration. Background includes 6,000 plus AI-related job cuts triggering white-collar concerns. 38 states have independent AI regulation laws. White House plans executive order overriding state laws. Conservative internal AI regulation strengthening demands elevate AI policy to most important midterm election 2026 issue. AI industry super PAC $125 million plus lobbying intensifies federal versus state regulatory power conflict. Global AI policy direction at decisive juncture. Historic moment shaping U.S. AI governance framework. Fourth story, Trump Xi Jinping U.S.-China summit held May 14th and 15 in Beijing. AI geopolitics reaches decisive turning point. Historic talks finally realized. Per the dispatch and CSIS analysis, Summit had been delayed after March U.S.-Israel joint Iran attack operations. AI technology positioned as major topic, U.S.-China AI hegemony final adjustment phase. Talks remain limited to trade discussions, failed to reach AI future framework agreement. Harsh reality, White House internal memo warns China-based foreign actors continue distilling U.S. AI technology with serious implications. Taiwan-Iran war prolongation, trade friction, AI technology theft. Four major tension factors cast heavy shadow over summit. CSIS officially warns DeepSeek and Chinese foundation models show escalation tendencies in national security domain. Treasury Secretary Bessent leads U.S.-China AI guardrails dialogue framework formation. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google military AI contracts accelerate. U.S. AI strategy becomes national security core policy. China side, Huawei Ascend AI chip procurement accelerates. DeepSeek V4 open source strategy. Alibaba Cloud, $100 billion 5-year AI infrastructure commitment. Chinese independent AI ecosystem, self-sufficiency progressing, U.S. export controls. NVIDIA H200 export license 75,000 unit per customer cap negotiations. Stall. U.S.-China AI decoupling structural fixation entering. 2026 AI geopolitics, most important milestone, decisive signal rewriting global AI industry power map. That's all for this AI news flash.